Union Minister of Forest and Climatic Change Environment has tweeted, then tweet केली की कालसा बांदोरा project आपण grant केलं म्हणून approval, environment approval. Now Goan environment is so लोकांनी काल निश्चित केला. All politicians, even across party lines, have. I've been taking this issue up right from 2012, continuously following up. So issue I'm घेत आहे हे मादे वॉटराचे. As a duty, हांव कुट्रे आमदार जावन कुडतरी म्हाका फर्स्ट पूण मागीर गोंय. बट ते नाद्यान कुडतरी आमदार म्हणून म्हाका लोकांनी निवडून हाडला. आख्खे इशू घेवपाक हांव उपकारी आमी कुडतरी लोकांचे. ते भाशेन हांव ते इशू घेतला. आतां आनी एक ट्वीट केल्या की प्रल्हाद जोशी लागून आपण केलो नासलो. आतां कितलो तेंप जालो कर्नाटका इज ट्रायंग टू टेक एनवायरमेंट क्लियरन्स फॉर द आख्खे उदो डायवर्शनाचे प्रोजेक्ट. आतां कालसा कनाल इन कुनकुम्मी आनी दोनी प्रोजेक्ट कालसा बांदोरा प्रोजेक्ट दोनी ते एनओसी ते एनवायरमेंट क्लियरन्स घेवपाक ट्राय करताय. 2002 तेणे एक पाट ट्राय केल्ली. देन देर वॉज आख्खो ऑल गोवा ऑल पार्टी डेलिगेशन गेले तेन्ना अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी आमचो प्रायम मिनिस्टर आसलो तेन्ना एंड प्रोजेक्ट वॉज केप्ट ऑन होल्ड लायसन्सीस दिवपाक. आतां इशू असलो की सुप्रीम कोर्ट मदर वॉटर डिस्प्यूट्स ट्रायब्युनलान ऑर्डर दिल्या. ऑर्डर कितें दिल्या दॅट 3.9 tons metric feet cubic water of water should be for Khalsa Bandura, 1.33 for Altara project in Maharashtra, and 1.5 and 8.2 for electricity hydroelectric project at Kotni. Now in Dilashana, Karnataka and Maharashtra, both these governments have gone on appeal, saying that this water is less. One side they have gone on appeal. The state government, Amchi Goa state government, has gone to the Supreme Court, saying that this order is unjust to us. This order amgeli 70 areas, amgeli areas adjoining Karnataka amka tras jato. Now we have, in spite of this, both projects Supreme Court has noticed in Asrana. Both courts are going on. Central government and environment clearance. It is unconstitutional and against. It is a contempt of court, in fact. Now what we want from the government? Ata Supreme Court and amgele je order amgeli kai and asrona for order dila, they have to first and foremost they have to take it back. Whatever environment clearances, we have to either take a all party thing. I mean all party delegation going to actually Prime Minister bode potun ki amka nakmut first. Second, I have raised another issue last time, that water development, Madai water development issue. Amgele Goyan, I have raised this issue. So I call upon the government, start water development of Madai waters. See that water development of Madai takes place. Third, NGT जाऊन state contempt petition file करपाक next option. Now ही पडे उदो हा ते आमगेले सारखे अत्यंत गरज. Full of North Goa is getting affected. Now even parts of South Goa will get affected. आणि आम्ही उदोक there is already shortage. आता हे पावटी आम्ही प्रोजेक्ट घेऊन डॅमेज करता एनवायरमेंट. आज पास पडटा आज पड हे जाता ते आमगेले वन ऑफ द रिजन इज एक्स्ट्रा डेव्हलपमेंट. आता हे डेव्हलपमेंट तेज्या निवडशी फर्स्ट अँड फॉरमोस्ट आमकां वी वॉन्ट एक्शन एज फार एज द गव्हर्मेंट इज कन्सर्न. चीफ मिनिस्टर इज ऑन रेकॉर्ड सेइंग दैट वी आर नॉट इन्फॉर्म्ड or rather we have not been taken into confidence. Nothing of that sort. Karnataka has been trying for a long time. Manohar Parrikar in 2002 for Karnataka election and start केला तो. That time there was a plan, and then आम्ही निश्चित मान सगळ्यान एकट्यान आम्ही ओपोज केले. Now we are again we have to oppose it, or an option नाता आमकां रस्त्यार जावंच पडटा.
Karnataka had claimed that the Madai river water which is flowing to Goa, and Goa is not using the water at all, just leaving it into the sea. So that is why we are demanding that at least we can use the water. What do you say on this?
See, that is why last assembly I had raised an issue. There was a water Madai water development plan which was done in many years back. It was started and kept on hold. That is why I am insisting, start that work again. Now we have adjoining areas next to Karnataka, Sulla and all the Sattari areas, they are not getting water. The area next to it is not getting water, and now down we have water. So we have to do something there to show that we really require that water first. Second, please remember, those areas have to get water. And now more so because of the diversion, ani pressure rehta. There is a Madai forest reserve. There is a in fact there is a wildlife sanctuary, Madai wildlife sanctuary. All those areas, all those eco-sensitive areas will get affected. So it is part of the responsibility of the government also to do it. That's why I demanded very clearly, I have demanded very straight that the development plan should go ahead properly with a scientific manner. Second, Prime Minister all party delegation on holder Durpache. NGT simultaneously NGT was on contempt in the Supreme Court saying that these issues are there before both the people. Karnataka has gone on appeal on that order, whereas we have gone saying that it is unconstitutional. All these issues are there, and the state government has and the central government has given environment clearance. Yes.